I will tell you how to get localhost IP address in Java programming language. To get the localhost IP address, we have to use Java Networking API. Before going to that, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Now, for getting the API, I am using Java documentation. In this Java SE8 documentation, I am using Java SE API. The SE API will shows you all the available packages in this documentation. Now our package is java.net package. Now select the java.net package. In the java.net package we have the available interfaces and classes. In that one I am selecting a class called Java net package is having a class called inet address. In this inet address class, we have a various methods. Now I am clicking on the methods category. In this one, we have a various categories are available, various methods are available. Now I am using a method that is called get local host. Actually, the get localhost method will returns the address of the localhost. Now, this is the static method and it is using the inet address object. For getting the IP address with coding, I will give you a demo. For doing that, I am choosing Eclipse IDE. In the Eclipse IDE, we have to go to the Package Explorer. In the Package Explorer, I am selecting the Java Code 2 project. In this one I am creating a class. For creating class we have to use Control N. In this one we have a window called new. I am selecting a class, use next. In this one it will gives you a new class window. Here give the name of the class, that is I am giving get local IP. This is the name of the class. Name of the class is get local IP. Make it finish button. After that it will opens the code view. In this one we have to import the package is import java.net package. Give the java.net package. Later write the main method, that is I am writing main method is main plus control space. Automatically it will insert main method. In this one we have to use try catch block. Try. Now we have to write catch block. This catch block we have to write use the exception is unknown host exception. It throws unknown host exception. Yes, unknown host exception. And in this we have to use the object is ex. Later I am giving an exception message that is sysout, like use unknown host. Yes. In this one we have to get the object of inet address class. For that inet address inet equals to inet address dot get localhost method. Now I selected a get localhost method. Now try to print, that is result, use plus inet. Try to run this code. Use Control F11. Now we may get the IP address of my local computer, any computer. Yes, it is trying to getting the result. We have to go to the console window. Yes, in the console window I got a result, that is new PC, and we have a IP address is 192.168.43. 126. If you want to get the individual result, that is I am using sys out control space, sys out control space. In that you need a individual IP, then IP is plus inet dot get host address. Then you can get only the address of IP address of the local computer instead of the name of the computer. Now again I am executing the code. Now use control F11. Yes, we got the IP address is 192.168.43.126. This is the IP address of my local host. Yes, I hope you enjoyed the code. Thank you.